Hello learners, welcome to Sure Question Academy. Please watch the videos, like and subscribe to the channel.
Let's analyze this physics question. In the figure, a conductor AB is arranged across parallel copper wires placed on an acrylic sheet above a ring magnet. A 12-volt battery is connected to the parallel conductors through a bell switch. Take a look at the experimental setup shown in the 3D diagram. Question A. Find the direction of motion of the conductor AB when the bell switch is turned on. And justify your finding. Let's look at the answer for part A. We can find the direction of motion using Fleming's left-hand rule. First, point the forefinger of your left hand in the direction of the magnetic field, which is downwards. Then, point the middle finger in the direction of current from A to B. The thumb will now point in the direction of the force. Therefore, we can conclude that the conductor moves towards Q. Now, let's look at the next part. Question B. What change should be made to move the conductor AB in the opposite direction? To move the conductor in the opposite direction, we can change the poles of the ring magnet, or change the terminals of the battery. Thank you. Happy learning.